Hello guys, this is Very Professional Train Spotter here and welcome to Derby. Well, welcome to your home, but I'm saying welcome to myself, yeah, whatever. Yeah, we're at Derby today on the Midland Main Line, where we should see plenty of services from East Midlands Railway, cross country, and it looks like we are going to get a bit of freight. And yes, I am going to count the Class 73 that is sitting down there behind 170-105, which brought me in, well, the 73 didn't bring me, yeah. 170-105 brought me in from Birmingham New Street. 170-637 sitting there, working the service to Cardiff Central. 105's working the service to Nottingham. And the Voyager is 221 at 122 and 033. They'll be working the service to Newcastle from Plymouth. Christ. Yeah, whilst my train was pulling in, there was an East Midlands Railway 222 Meridian departing. I did see the number, but I've gone and forgotten the number. It was working the service from Sheffield to somewhere. 637's Sheffield to St Pancras, that's where. Yes. Jesus. Very professional train spotting at its best. Here goes 637. Nice. Hello? Hello? Up the villa, yes! Up the villa. Haha. Nice way to kick it off with a brilliant up the villa there from the driver. And there was another thing as well. And 105's also departing to Nottingham. Get the same from you. Just check the times of both of them along with the Voyager. Right. I can barely see my phone, which is also always helpful when you want to look at real-time trains, which is a legal requirement for train spotters.
We are doing everything we can to reduce the spread of coronavirus and to keep our customers and colleagues safe. You can help too by following these simple rules.
Right then.
Number 1. Do not travel if you have any coronavirus.
637 was working the 1140 to Cardiff. 105 was also working the 1140, this time to Nottingham. And 122 and 033 are working the 1145 to Newcastle. And the 73 that's there, I'd rather have the 7 and 3 in another order, but something passing through over here. Okay, I'll take this. Yeah, the 73 is working Derby RTC to Eastleigh Arlington. This is Peterborough Waitrose sidings to Chesterfield Down sidings. DR 75303. Anyway, just sit back, relax and enjoy this. Okay, so now arriving is the 1148 East Midlands Railway service to Crewe from, I believe, Newark Castle. When does that 73 depart? 158856 here. I'll carry on recording as the 73 is now off. Looks like. Here we go. Here we go. You know what, he'll open up once he gets past me, I can guarantee you. Here we go. Oh yes. As 221122 and 033 also depart with the 1145 to Newcastle. Oh yes, I'll have this, I'll have this. Oh yes. 73963 Janice. With 73965 on the rear. Smells lovely. It's a lovely smell. I must admit that did make me jump. As the two Voyagers have disappeared. Okay, so now coming in is the 1151 East Midlands Railway service from Matlock to Nottingham. My eyesight's not that good, so I can't see the number from here. I'll get it when it departs. Yeah, filthy, mate. Okay, so the 1148 to Crewe is now off, and he is from Newcastle as well. Okay, so now coming in is...
The train now approaching platform 3 does not stop
Oh,
here.
right.
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 3.
We load up any time today, real-time trains. Maybe on time as well. (175.34) for East Midlands Railway. He's off to Skegness. According to the destination board, he's off to Skegness. What is that? Who are you? Crewe CS to Etches Park sidings. As it looks like the 1151 to Nottingham is also getting ready to depart, should he? Is he? Yeah. Yeah, the 1151 to Nottingham from Matlock is also getting ready to depart now. One 156.907. I will do. I don't need to because I never catch East Midlands Railway. like that Turbo Star's coming back.
The next
170, whoever it was.
4A will be the 12:13 cross-country service to Nottingham. Calling it Nottingham only. This train is formed of 2 coaches. A buffet counter service of hot and cold snacks is available on the train. First class accommodation is available in the rear of the train as it arrives at the station. This will be on the front of the train as it departs.
I'm pretty sure I've seen that Turbo Star unless if he's stopped. Here he is. Five, 3, 4. Is it the same one? Hang on, does he say he's going to Skegness? That might... I can't see that far. Yeah, he's stopped. I have no idea what he's doing. Okay, so now coming in is a 12:10 cross-country Turbo Star service from Nottingham to Birmingham New Street.
Engineering work is taking place this weekend.
170, 116.
And Bedford, which will cross miles. Some services will have additional stops and journeys will take longer. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. For further information, please see staff, visit our website, or use the helplines.
Okay, so now there's another Turbo Star coming in. Working the you know what, and yeah. 12:13 to Nottingham. Pretty sure this is from Birmingham.
First class accommodation is available in the rear of the train as it arrives at the station.
170, 113. Go away, go away. Okay, so now coming in is a 12:09 East Midlands Railway service to St Pancras International, London St Pancras, whatever you want to call it, from Sheffield.
The next train program platform 5 will be the 12:11 East Midlands Railway service to
222 003.
Chesterfield and Sheffield. This train is 5
Still in the former East Midlands Trains livery. Okay, so 003 looks like he's now off. Tornado. Where is it? If we ask, and it looks like 170, 116, well, 170, 116 is now off with the 12, is it 1211? I think it's a 1211 to New Street. Yeah, 1211. No, 1210. 1210 to New Street. It's 1210 to New Street. If you're wondering what I'm looking for, well, I'm kind of expecting a Nottingham Eastcroft to Derby RTC. And on real-time trains, it says it's approaching. I can't see it though. (175.34's moving. It's not him, is it? He wouldn't be Eastcroft to RTC, would it?
The train now approaching
No.
platform 3 is not stopping yet. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 3.
Yeah, I'll carry on recording. See what it is. My money is on 73s. Again. Yes! No, it's not. Yes, yes, yes. Not a train. You disgust me. You disgust me with that comment. It's a 37. Go away, Wasp. Don't ruin this. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on, give it the beans. 240. Come on. 37 240. Come on, give it the beans. Come on. You know you want to give it the beans out of here, just do it. I nearly walked into a lamppost. Yeah. If you even dream about bowling me, I will hate 170 turbo stars for the rest of my life. I'll hate them more than paces. 113. 170, 113 now off. What am I doing? Threatening a train anyway? Is he supposed to make that noise? Come on, you know you want to give it the beans. What way is he going? They've moved into this cab, so no one in that cab looks like going out this way. Come on. Yes. Yes. Go on. Yes. Right. Nothing is beating that now. You can throw me in the Flying Scotsman. That is not beating that. Yes. That was beauty. That was beautiful. That's your thumbnail sorted. Forget the 73s. The 73s were beautiful, the way they gave it the beans out of here. but nothing's beaten the 37. I couldn't even care less about the East. Yeah, well, might as well. Now coming in is a 12:11 East Midlands Railway service to where's it going? Sheffield from St Pancras. 222015. That was beautiful. Okay, so now coming in is a 12. Did you say the 12:23? 12:23. Oh, he's off to Newcastle. 156405. This is from Crewe to Newcastle. I'm pretty sure the first time I said that I said Newcastle. Huh? Yeah, but what train did you say that was? Yeah, it's going to Newcastle. What train? 12 what? Forget it, I'll use my phone. Some assistant you are. Newcastle. The 12:22 service. Get it in the pocket. Okay, so now coming in is the 12:34 East Midlands Railway service to Matlock from Nottingham. In its former East Midlands Trains livery. One 156498. And it looks like 156, whatever it was, forget its number now, and I can't see it from here, is also now getting ready to depart with the 12:22 East Midlands Railway service to Newcastle. And if you can't remember, it's 156405. Okay, so now coming in is a 12:31 cross-country service from Newcastle to Bristol Temple Meads. I did just look at the number, but obviously I've just gone and forgotten it in 5 seconds. Yeah, you say that all the time. I think we might be able to remember that now. I mean, yeah, I'm not wearing my mask because I can't breathe in the damn thing, but... 221131 is on the front. Pretty sure real-time trains showed the Super Voyager on the rear. So yeah, I'd like to know what they're doing now. Okay, 221131 looks like it's now getting ready to lead away the 12:31 cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads from Newcastle via Birmingham New Street. whistles have gone. And there's also a Meridian coming in as well. It's a 12:29 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. We've also got a Turbo Star coming in as well. 222-017 is working the Sheffield, their Sheffield service. Two 20-022 is on the rear of the cross-country service. And the Turbo Star is... It's the 12:40 cross-country service from Cardiff Central to Nottingham. Just check I got that right. I'm going to drop this. Yep. 170-111 is working this. Behind me. No, it's not here yet. Yep, we've got another Meridian coming in as well. Going from Sheffield to St Pancras. As I move over here, you will see him. 222. That looks like it says 021, is it? 222-021. Yeah, I believe that's a 12:34 service. I doubt it. Yes. Yeah. 222-017 is working the late running service to Sheffield, and 021 is the delayed 12:32 to St Pancras.
And stand back to allow people to safely leave the train before you board. We are doing everything we can to reduce the spread of coronavirus and to keep our passengers and colleagues safe. You can help too by following these simple rules. Number 1.
Okay, so it looks like 222-021 is now getting ready to depart with the 12:32 East Midlands Railway service to St Pancras International from Sheffield. Right guys, you're seeing this correctly. You are seeing this very correctly. You are seeing this correctly. This is a 12:38 cross-country service to Cardiff Central from Nottingham. Works by a Voyager. 220-025 working this. Being our final train of part 1. Pigeon. Yeah, you didn't want to see trains in this episode. Yeah, in this part 1, this video, whatever. You wanted to see a pigeon. Yeah, so as he gets to a stop, I'm going to leave part 1 right there. Thanks for watching part 1. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, and if you dislike, please tell me why and how I can improve. And I will see you all in part 2. I'm going to get a little bite to eat. And yeah. Final few words. Out of all the trains I expected to see today, right, First of all, I didn't really expect to see a 73. Second of all, I actually was caught by surprise by the 37. I didn't expect to see that. And then a Voyager working Cardiff to Nottingham to Cardiff. Okay, you've got something to say about that as well. Yeah, pigeon, brilliant. Yeah, thanks so much for part 1. See you in part 2. Bye bye.